What's up, guys? So today I came to the shop for a little bit, and so I ended up building this center support little leg structure type thing. Putting these 45 supports. They're located at the center of the table. I just tack welded it real quick. I'll be making some 45 supports connected there, and all 4 points of the table. And since my water bed's like really damn freaking heavy, I have to have these, but I also want to make it in a way where I can bolt it from the outside. So I'll probably weld some like nuts over here, and I think 2 should be enough, because like I said, I have some flat bar. It's a 3/16 thick. I'm gonna run it from there, connected there and there, on all the legs. So when you push it, they all move as one. And I think that's as far as I've gotten today. When I welded when I put these legs together, kind of, let me see if there's a better angle. I don't really have light. Let's see if I got a flashlight around here. I welded these little angles over here, and everything's just kind of tacked down right now. I just want to see like where everything's gonna fall in place. I don't really have too much done, but it's as far as I've gotten. And this is my mill. It's a little machine shop mill. It's freaking awesome. It's really facilitated everything I do here at the shop. Love that machine. So see you guys later. Hopefully I can come by tomorrow and do a few more things. Keep you guys posted. Later.